Welcome to our channel. Today, we discuss something powerful: why small wins can make you addicted to happiness. That little rush you get when you check off a task, finish a workout, or achieve a tiny goal. Your brain loves it. Imagine this: you complete a small task, like sending an important email or finishing a workout. Immediately, you feel a burst of satisfaction. Your brain releases dopamine, the chemical that makes you feel good. It's the same chemical that makes chocolate, social media, or even video games so addictive. Your brain rewards you for progress. Here's the amazing part: small wins are like stepping stones. Each one tells your brain, yes, you can do this. Dopamine surges. And you feel motivated to keep going. Your brain starts craving more little victories. That's why habit tracking, to-do lists, and mini goals feel so satisfying. They train your brain to chase happiness regularly. Even better, small wins don't just give instant pleasure, they build momentum. Your prefrontal cortex, which handles focus and decision-making, gets activated. It helps you plan the next step, push a little harder, and build confidence. Suddenly, your brain is not just celebrating a win, it's learning how to succeed again and again. Think about it like leveling up in a game. Every checkpoint, every achievement, gives your brain a reward. It keeps you hooked on progress and joy. And the more you celebrate small wins, the more your brain rewires itself to notice opportunities, progress, and growth. So next time you accomplish even the tiniest thing, pause and savor it. Your brain is learning, rewiring, and building a craving for happiness, all from small steps. Small wins aren't just tiny victories, they're addictive sparks that light up your motivation and joy. If this video helped you understand why small wins are so powerful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. What's one small win you're proud of today? Share your story, we'd love to hear it. Remember, your brain loves progress, and every little victory counts.